In this quick video, we will use Vim to edit a text file. In this folder, we have 3 files, and we'll open a file. We'll open the learning file using the Vim command and the name of the file. So this is the file. Now to enter insert mode, you press I, and then we can now write some text. So let's edit this text here and say if the file doesn't exist, vim file name creates it. Alright. Now to save the file, you press escape, column, and W. Awesome. Next, if you want to copy a line, you remember to go out of insert mode with escape. So to copy a line, let's say I want to copy this entire line, I press YY. And then to paste that line, I press P. You see it has copied and pasted that line. Now to cut that line, you use DD. And to undo the last action, you use U. Awesome. So one more thing, to search for a term in this entire file, you use the backslash and the term you're finding. So I want to search for every time command is used, and it highlights that. Alright, and finally, to exit a file, you press your escape, your column, W to save, and then Q to quit. And that's it about Vim. So Vim is a powerful tool for editing text files in Linux. Thanks.